Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a little haul of the things that I got from Sarojini Nagar. So it's a big story. I did record a lot of things and then I put it all in my hard disk. Then my hard disk stopped working, but I still have some footage in my phone, if not all. So I'll integrate most of the things everywhere in the video, but I don't know how much I'd be able to share because काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो मेरे फ़ोन पर थी they are just lost. So जितना भी मेरे पास होगा I'll just put everything in this video and I'll obviously mention the shop numbers because that I have somewhere written. I think I wrote them on my notes app. So I have all the shop numbers written. तो वो I will mention along with the prices because अब मुझे prices याद नहीं है. It was all a few months ago. Anyway, the intro is too big now, isn't it? So if you want to see what I got from Sarojini Nagar, then keep on watching. So let's start with tops. The first top I got, and I really love this top, is this white top. It's not a crop top, it's a full length top, but it has got these pearl thingy on the front. काफ़ी सारे, ये बहुत घटिया क्वालिटी भी नहीं लग रही है कि these might fall off. और यहाँ साइड में एक फ्रिल काइंड का डिज़ाइन है एंड हाफ स्लीव डिज़ाइन इज ऑल्सो एडिंग टू द टॉप. मतलब जस्ट, और नेक पर भी सेम डिज़ाइन है. सो आई जस्ट फील इट्स सच अ क्यूट टॉप. और ये बहुत ऐसे फॉर्मल टॉप भी मेरे को लग रहा है, कैजुअल एट द सेम टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ द पर्ल्स, बट समथिंग यू कैन ऑल्सो वेयर टू work or school, college, whatever. So I just like this top and I picked it up. Next, मेरे को बहुत time से I wanted a vest sweater. So when I saw this and the color, I knew I am going to take this home with me. So I got this brown toned vest sweater जो मुझे बहुत cute लगा, with on its own या फिर with shirt, white shirt और light brown, किसी brown tone की shirt, I don't know yet. I think it's going to look really cool, hence I got this. अगेन बहुत पतला है तो आई वुडेंट से कि ये विंटर में इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी यूजफुल. मतलब यू विल हैव टू लेयर इट अप. जैसे अक्टूबर नवंबर का वेदर है, आई थिंक उसके लिए दिस इज एक्चुअली अ गुड क्वालिटी वेस्ट स्वेटर. सो द नेक्स्ट टॉप एंड द लास्ट टॉप आई हैव गॉट, ओ माय गॉश, इट इज दिस येलो टॉप. इट्स इज 5th अपने लेबल पर यहाँ पे, बट आई हैव दिस टॉप फ्रॉम Zara. लुक एट द रिजेम्बलेंस. It is pretty much the same top in different color. Obviously quality wise Zara is actually feeling much better. ये बहुत पतली quality लग रही है. This looks a bit like पतला, पर पतली quality के बाद भी it's not that it's looking cheap or it's feeling cheap. But Zara से if I compare, it is tiny bit like thinner in cloth. But look at this top. It's just a cute little top. I don't know ये crop top है या नहीं, मेरे लिए नहीं है. According to my height, it's going to come till my belt area. And side में ये frills हैं and I just like these frill design. It's very cute and I think ये last 3 tops I got from the same shop if I'm not wrong. But anyway, I'll mention everything below. जो भी होगा, you might be able to see it on the screen. So yeah, I just got this top and I found it really cute and I really get a lot of use out of these things. These are the things I can also wear to work. So इसलिए I picked this up. Okay, moving on to a shirt. So this is the only shirt I got and it is from Only. That's what it says. So it is this shirt that screams Goa, but I find it really cool. Itni vibrant. I don't know, I just liked it. But this is not a complete shirt. तो ये पूरी नहीं खुलेगी. It has just got 2 buttons and then it is just one top bottom में. But पीछे की side it has got a few buttons at the back. So you can actually open it if you like an open back design. तो हाँ, I think it's very cool. या over shirt भी I think it'll look very cool. And I think I was sold on the pattern and the color. I don't wear such vibrant things a lot, but this 10/10. और क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. Only लिखा हुआ है. I don't know if it is really Only, but quality actually feels really good. Okay, moving on to a pair of trousers. These are the only pair of trousers I got. These are these little sunflower trousers. Again, full length trousers है. I just liked the trousers and they have these drawstrings to attach your waistband. पर मुझे trousers actually बहुत अच्छे लगे and the only reason is the sunflowers because summer में especially I love vibrant things. I don't know if you've realized एक type का कपड़ा होता है that feels really rough, like very hard and rough, but it's not like that. It feels like really soft cloth. So I got this one. Okay, on to a dress. Well, this is the only dress that I got from there, and it is a dress from Zara. So I don't know how did I find it, but if you've seen the app, these dresses were actually there on the app. So मुझे पता है these dresses, I don't know if it's a copy or if it is actually from Zara, but ये dresses were on the app. Is this a lot of colors printed dress? So it has got this sequin design ऊपर. I think it's called a sequin design. It has got 3/4 sleeve and then block prints type का design है पूरे dress पर, and it looks so pretty and I absolutely love it. Okay, so moving on to the last two clothing items before we move on to the accessories. So the first thing I got is little crochet. I think ये crochet ही है. Kind of this top which is so cute. Is this top और बीच में इसके drawstrings हैं. So you can actually just wear this top with even a bralette if you like, or a spaghetti top, or you can wear it on top of a sweater. I don't know, there's thousands of ways to style this, but I just found it really cute. So I picked this one. Abhi it's not that hot for this because ये थोड़ा सा गर्म कपड़ा है. But again, winter is not far away. Winter is coming. So I picked this one up. And the other one is actually along the same lines. Cardigan design hai. It's this top. It's a blue top and I don't think I own something in this color. बीच में you can tie this up. मुझे actually ये बहुत सुंदर लगा था, तो I decided I'll just get this. I think ये भी मैंने सेम ही शॉप से खरीदे थे दोनों, but everything is in the description or it's on the screen as well. But yeah, these are, and again दोनों की quality बहुत soft है. Now moving on to the accessories. So पहली चीज is this clutcher. तो इस पे बहुत सुंदर ऐसे इंक प्रिंट डिजाइन है. दिस वॉज अ पैक ऑफ 6 आई थिंक फॉर 30 रुपीज. कैन यू इमेजिन? और दिस वॉज नॉट अ शॉप. वो जो लोग बीच में घूम रहे होते हैं मार्केट में, तो लिटिल गर्ल आई थिंक शी हैड इट, तो आई पिक्ड इट अप फ्रॉम हर. देन आई गॉट दिस बटरफ्लाई वन एज वेल. अगर मुझे अपनी पुरानी हार्ड डिस्क में से वीडियो मिलती है, सो आई विल बी अटैचिंग इट हियर. बट दिस वॉज द बटरफ्लाई. इस पे भी इंक पैटर्न डिजाइन है. ये भी 30 के 6 थे. But I just got these two with me. I gave remaining to my mom, my aunt, और ये वाला जो पूरा पैक था I gave it to my cousin who lives in New Zealand. Her dad was here, my uncle was here in India जिस time पर मैं थी. So when I got it, I gave the whole pack to him because she'll be very happy seeing all of these. And दोनों का grip बहुत अच्छा है because I've used this clutcher. और ये बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं है कि बालों में चुभ रहा है या सर में चुभ रहा है. And it actually holds your hair together. So I really like these, and that's why I picked these. And anyway, women can never have a lot of clutches, a lot of hair ties. So for that reason, I picked up hair ties as well. There was another little boy who was selling, well, not little boy, but yeah, I think he was 18-19 years old. He was selling hair ties, and I think it was 6 for 50. I think that was the price. So I got 3 for me, 3 for my mom, and I forgot to give her. So I got these 6. So I got a little brown grayish hair tie, then satin. ये सारी satin है by the way. फिर ये purple because it's my favorite color. I got one dark blue one. I got one rose gold, and then I got these 2 print ones which are very cute. So I picked these up. This time when I go to India, probably जब आप ये video देख रहे हो, I am in India at that time, so I'll give 3 to my mom and I'll keep 3 for myself. Okay, so the last few things now. First I got these earrings. I mean, look at these earrings. They are so cute. मेरे को लग रहा है कि Indian wear के साथ और even with Western wear they go so well. So I picked these up. So I got these silver ones again. Look very cute and they are very light. इनका weight ही feel नहीं हो रहा. These are still a bit heavier. ये इसका तो बिल्कुल weight feel नहीं हो रहा. So I love earrings जिनका weight बहुत ज़्यादा feel ना हो. Then I got these flower shaped earrings with these tassels at the bottom. Look at that. They are so beautiful. Again बहुत light है. Obviously same shop. It's just so nice. Also इस earring में ना there was more hanging, but the gentleman जो sell कर रहे थे, I asked him if we can take it off. So we actually took it off, and he also gave me that bit. So this is that bit. Earring में नीचे था, but I didn't want this, तो मैंने ये remove कर दिया. But this can be attached back if you want. So that's really cool actually. So that's why I got these. So these were from shop number 44. From this same shop, I picked up a few more earrings. So I picked up these one. ये बहुत in है, green pearly earrings. I really like them, and I know I'm going to start wearing them, and they're going to look really cool. Then I got these sunflowers but in a different color, daffodils, I don't know what are these called, but orange mein. But I got the same in sunflowers as well. So these are the ones I got in sunflower because look at them, they're just so cute. And then the last one I got are these sunflower hanging earrings. ये भी मुझे बहुत cute लगे and I think these are actually very cute. I should actually start getting a use out of these because I've got so many but I don't wear any. Okay, so the first one, सब same chains हैं but सब में end में there is a little locket. So I'm just going to show you what those are. So the first one is this little rainbow. Then I've got this butterfly, another flower, this time in lilac. Then the same flower in yellow. Then a maple leaf but in green. So yeah, these are the 5 neck pieces I got. I like these, very minimal, very cute. और ये पहनकर बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं when you're wearing, you don't want a lot. So I got these. Now I'll have to untangle them. And the guy actually packed them really nicely for me. पर hey ho. Also ये जो neck pieces थे, this was also somebody who had it around their neck and they were selling it. So ये कोई shop number नहीं है, but they just come around throughout the complex. So that's where I got it, and I think all of these were 80 rupees for 5. I think that's what the price was. And then the last thing I got was a pair of sunglasses. These are really gorgeous, but ऐसा लग रहा है Prada का dupe. Well, I really want to find that video because the guy who sold it was very fun. He saw that I was recording and he just wanted to be a part of it so badly, but he was very funny. But he was trying to scam us. So he said 250 for this, and then we bargained and he's like 100 blah blah. And then he said okay 100, it's fine. मैंने बाद में video देखा, there was written on a side on a paper everything for 100. We just bargained. Imagine, he could have sold that to us for 250 if we had not bargained, whereas everything in that shop was 100. It was well not the shop but exit जहाँ से हम कर रहे थे, last में there was this shop, not shop but on the wall he had a display of the sunglasses, but I still feel they are so cool, and that's why I picked these up. And yeah, that's it. That's everything I got from Sarojini Nagar. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it is a bit informative for you कि कहाँ you can go, how much you can bargain. Obviously बहुत ज़्यादा scope है bargain का if you know how to do it right way. I am really bad at it. That's why I want to go again and bargain the crap out of it, but I am really bad. So I think I need to go once more, but this time I might go with my mom because I think she can do a better job than me. If you like this video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite shops or streets in Sarojini Nagar if you do happen to go there. And if you'd like to stick around, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I shall see you very soon. Thanks for watching.